You may be wondering, all this talk about continuous improvement, lean, and pull systems, and I can't decide where to start with implementation. While there are many different opinions on this, the most commonly accepted place to start is internal of your organization and with the process that is closest to your external customer. For example, if you had a process that included procurement, receiving, processing, assembly, and inventory, you would likely want to start in the inventory section. Keep in mind that there are many sub-processes within processes. This will make the improvements endless. Nonetheless, starting at the last process step closest to the external customer gives you a customer perspective of the value stream. As you make improvements at each phase of your value stream, you can then move upstream by making improvements there. This is a great way to begin your implementation. Another method to begin implementing pull systems is to give people time every day for improvements. This ensures that small and simple changes are made daily. With this in mind, remember that the most important way to begin implementation of a pull system is to simply get started. In later modules, we will look at the specifics of implementation. See you in the next module.